In the busy harbor town of Joppa there lived a woman named Tabitha, whom many also called Dorcas. She was neither a ruler nor a teacher in the great halls, yet her name was spoken with tenderness in homes where sorrow had known the door. For Tabitha spent her days in service, sewing tunics for the poor, mending cloaks for widows, and giving her skill where hands were weary and hearts were heavy. When a widow received a garment from Tabitha, she did not see merely cloth and thread. She saw kindness stitched into every seam. When a child was wrapped in a warm cloak she had made, the mother remembered the quiet woman who had noticed their need without waiting to be asked. Tabitha did not seek applause. She served as one who believed that the smallest act done in love is precious before God. Then one day Tabitha fell ill and died. The believers in Joppa washed her body and laid her in an upper room. The widows stood nearby, weeping, and they showed the garments and robes Tabitha had made, as if they could not bear that such mercy should be silenced. Word was sent quickly to Peter, who was not far away. When Peter arrived, he found a room full of grief and sadness. The widows held up the evidence of Tabitha's life, not statues, not riches, but clothing given to the needy. Peter sent everyone out, knelt, and prayed. Then turning to the body he said, "Tabitha, arise." At once she opened her eyes and sat up. Peter took her by the hand and helped her to rise, and soon she was shown alive to the saints and the widows who had mourned her. Their tears became praises, and many in Joppa believed in the Lord when they heard what God had done. Tabitha's story spread not because she had pursued fame, but because she had loved faithfully. In a world that notices the loud and the powerful, God honored a woman whose hands were always ready to serve. Her life and her restoration bore witness that the Lord sees every hidden kindness, and that no act of mercy done in His name is wasted. The lesson of Tabitha is that true greatness in the kingdom of God is found in humble love, generous service, and faithful mercy. For whatever you do for one of the least of these, you do for me.